What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ideal Auto Factory, where we talk about everything RCs and vinyl wrapping. Today is going to be a quick one. I just want to show you all how to effectively de-anodize any of your aluminum parts. This one is going to be, straight to the point. So let's keep God first, get into the video. So this is actually a bottle from Dollar General in the cleaning section, but it does, declog your drains. And what I had to do was look for lye in the actual ingredients. So right there, it says contains concentrated lye. That's the only thing that actually removes the anodizing from the aluminum parts that you have. So this was a $3 bottle, and I'm going to use this to de-anodize some parts. Let's get to it. I have my little servo. I've noticed that when I took it apart, the metal one at least, there's a gasket at the bottom, and then there's a gasket right here, and then there's a bearing at the top. So I'm not too worried about water getting in it or anything getting in there. If it does, hey, learn something new every day. And then this is the Hobby Wing ESC XD10. I'm gonna go ahead and place that in there as well. And notice it's just a container that's tall enough to have everything, but not too big to where you're just wasting a whole bunch of this hair declogger thingy. All right, now I'm wearing gloves. That's a must. No, it's not. It's not a must, but safety is key, so it's a must for me. Not really sure on any other way to explain this other than it just does the job. So I'm putting it on top. I'm gonna have it all submerged in there. And then I'm gonna put you on a time lapse so you can see it work. I don't see any air bubbles coming up for the servo, so servo might be waterproof. Oh, that's 2 air bubbles. All right, that should do it. So it's starting to work already. You see the bubbles working on, I think that's the steel maybe. Oh yeah, it's eating away at it quick. You can see that stuff working. Close this. I'm in a well-ventilated area. And what I'll do, I'll just put you all on the time lapse. We're not even 2 minutes in and we're already getting this stuff to work. So let's just put you on the time lapse and we'll go from there. Boom. Hair clogger from Dollar General. And then alcohol, 70% in a separate container. I got this container from Dollar General. I got that one from having a side box servo, but you can get 2 of these and do the same thing. But I mean, come on. De-anodize, there it is, all done. In and out. Now, if you leave it in too long, it won't look this good. I can tell you that. I've left some stuff in a little long and it turns black. What's the best way to describe it? It's more like the oxidation on the aluminum comes out or is now on it. So I don't know what I'm trying to say. Long story short, if you leave it in too long, it won't look like this. It'll be really dark. You might ask yourself, why did I just leave the bottom of this with red on it, right? Well, it's going to be down like that most of the time, so nobody's going to see that. Not too worried there. And this right here is the all-important piece. I'm so glad this came out really nice. And I'm telling you, I think that was $3. And now we got basically like clean aluminum, no red in sight. That ESC is going to look so nice. But yeah, you gotta have something to neutralize what you just put it in. And of course, like I said, you wear gloves. I'm going to open this back up really quick and see if it's actually, you know, still good. All right, last screw. Let's check the inside of this bad boy. We are completely dry in there. Still completely dry. I noticed this O-ring around there, so I was like, okay, the bottom will be good. Now let's check the top, because the top, it just had a bearing that helped the situation. So let's see how the top looks. Oh, we good. We good. That's awesome. And that was because just the press fit in that gasket again, it's a little, you can kind of see it right there, right on the edge. So yeah, we're good to go. Don't have to worry about nothing. Ain't worried about nothing. I would put some metal polish on this, but I don't see it getting any better than that, especially with it being a darker shade already. So yeah, good to go here. This isn't, I wouldn't call this waterproof, but it is waterproof enough or splash proof enough to go in there and be submerged for like 5 minutes. So done deal there. Thanks for watching that video. Really appreciate it. Hey, y'all, I just like to be a little different. So definitely am really grateful that turned out well. And it was nice to just like, you know, risk it, I guess, with that servo and just throw it in there and see what happens. So yeah, send it. De-Anodize some parts. I think blue, green, yellow, and something else. Orange maybe? Yeah, a lot of stuff doesn't get anodized in those colors. So hey, de-anodize it, have somebody re-anodize it, learn how to anodize. I don't know. I'm just showing you stuff. And of course, disclaimer, nothing you see in this video, I recommend. You know, what's the word? Don't try that at home. However you say it, safety's first. Keep God first. I'll catch you on the next video.